Hello, my name is David Pena, and today I will be discussing Module 4 on muscle interactions. Muscle crossing and movement. The position of a muscle relative to a joint will determine the type of movement that can be performed. For example, on the lateral side, muscles will perform abduction. On the medial side, muscles will perform adduction. On the anterior side, muscles will perform flexion. And on the posterior side, muscles will perform extension. However, it should be noted, it is possible for muscles on the anterior side to perform extension and for the muscles on the posterior side to perform flexion as well. Types of muscles. Muscles work in groups to perform specific functions, therefore no individual muscle can perform a function by itself at the joint. There are four kinds of muscles: agonist muscles, synergist muscles, antagonist muscles, and fixator muscles. The agonist muscle, or the prime mover, is the primary muscle performing the movement. This image demonstrates an extension at the elbow joint, where the agonist would be the tricep. Synergist muscles are muscles that help the prime mover with performing the movement. In this example of an elbow extension, the synergist muscle would be the ansius muscle. Antagonist muscles are muscles that perform the opposite movement to the prime mover. In this example of an elbow extension, the antagonist muscle is the tricep muscle. The antagonist muscle to the tricep muscle would be the bicep. The agonist and antagonist muscle are on the opposite side of the joint. This applies to all muscle groups in the body. It is important to understand that the agonist and antagonist muscles are labeled depending on the movement that is being performed. For example, when elbow flexion is occurring, the bicep is the agonist muscle and the tricep is the antagonist muscle. And finally, the fixator muscle are muscles that's primary role is to stabilize the mover muscle, which in this image, the deltoid is stabilizing the tricep. This concludes my presentation.